We're on 259 going south. Just riding around, killing time, y'all. Enjoying life. Enjoying the day. I just thought I'd see if y'all might want to come along with me. I don't know what's going on up here, but I see some lights. I see some lights flashing. But I can't tell what that is. But they are pulling out whatever it is. They may pick up enough speed I can get back over there. I think I can. I wasn't sure what that was. He ain't going too fast, but there's a big old 18-wheeler coming up over here. I didn't want to be over there. Let him go around. I don't know why he's going so slow. When the speed limit's 70. Maybe he's working and looking for stuff. I think he works for the state. Maybe he's scoping things out. Well, I wished I was at the beach today, walking on the beach. That sounds like something good to do. Y'all, I've never fished in the ocean. Never deep sea fished. I don't think I'd want to go out on one of those boats. I got motion sickness on a lake one time just from a regular boat. And that kind of turned me from wanting to go out on a boat. I wouldn't mind fishing from the bank. I have several friends that fish from the bank. And I have some that have a boat, and they do boat tours. I have friends that live here and have a boat down there, and they go down, and that's what they want to do in their retirement. It's just tours on their boat. Sounds like a good retirement plan. Fishing tours and tours around the coastline. I think that sounds like a great plan. Y'all, I need to wash my car so bad, or have it washed, but there hadn't been enough days in between the rain to even fool with it. It'd be all in vain. I don't think the inside of my car is not that dirty. The outside of my car is probably the dirtiest it's ever been. This is what I'm thinking about as I'm riding down the road. That I need to wash my car. We are about to enter the Central Heights school zone. That's where my granddaughter went to school. Ooh, look at all that smoke. That's good for you. That's good for you breathing. This is the big town of Central Heights. I told y'all we're going to be world travelers, y'all. East Texas places, travelers. I'm taking y'all everywhere. I'm taking y'all around everywhere. The big town of Central High. I have a niece that lives up here. I know a lot of people that lives up here. That's a pretty good little school. It's grown quite a bit in the last few years. This whole community, their new store, the dollar store, the Family Dollar. Y'all, Family Dollar and Dollar General, they taking over everything. And now the Family Dollar is went in with the Dollar Tree. So there'll be, like a section of the store that's the Dollar Tree. So I don't know how all that come about. I just know that's what I'm seeing. America's Best Fireworks. That's a big old fireworks stand back there. I bet they make a lot of money in season. Y'all, last time I bought fireworks for the kids, I don't know, it was like $60 or $70. And it was on the 4th of July a few years ago, and they come over and we did some stuff at the house. I used to get some every season for my granddaughter, but now that she's older, I don't buy them like that. But I used to buy her like $50 or $60 worth way back when. But it was a lot of fireworks, and we would do them at Christmas, New Year's, 4th of July, and whatever, because I lived out of the city limits, so we could, shoot them off. And anyway, the last time I got some, I don't know, I think it was about $60, y'all. Those fireworks didn't last 30 minutes. It was less than 30 minutes. And it wasn't anything extravagant because they were younger kids. It was things that they could do, or enjoy. And, it was worth it. I'm glad I could get it for them. But, man, I don't know if y'all thought about how expensive fireworks are. But I used to make my granddaughter, well, I still do, a stocking. And I would always have her a big thing of fireworks that she liked in her stocking. I don't do that anymore. I don't get her the fireworks anymore. She might still enjoy them. I don't know. Hadn't asked her. She might still would enjoy them. She could still come out to my house and set them off because I'm outside the city limits, so it's not against the law. I know a lot of people that take their stuff out to Lake Nacogdoches and shoot their stuff off from the pier over the lake. I've never gone out there to watch, but I know they do it because it's outside the city limits. But I'm fixing to turn right up here and go to my favorite Shell station and get me some gasoline so I can get myself on home. I still have enough for 77 miles. So I wasn't sure. I don't think I've ever run my gas down where it's on the, like on the line. I don't think I've ever run my tank that low of gas. So I wasn't sure how far I could go. But I'm learning. But I still didn't have enough to do some other stuff that I thought about doing. So it's a good thing I headed home. And for those of you that may not have watched some of the other videos, I go out on a day and make several of these driving videos. And I don't know what day I'll post them or how long it'll be. So if the conversation doesn't sound right with what is going on at the time, that's why. And I'm gonna jump off of here and get some gas Thanks for going with me. I love y'all. Jesus loves you. God's with you all the time. Y'all be blessed. And don't forget to say your prayers.